night to the fans, them, you know, and thing. Well, a little incident go down at the airport, and as you can see, a voice note come out where one of the custom officer at the airport saying some stuff where really hurt me, because I said, like, how this job in, you understand? This not sound good, this not look good. Well, what happened? I was on tour in Europe. You know the world know that already. I was on tour in Europe for like 3 weeks, because we had to cut it short, because as you can see, everywhere quarantine, right? So anyway, when we on the plane, we boarded from Brussels airport. When we on the plane, forwarding back from Europe, you don't know, we get a custom form. So on the custom form it said, where you have been for the last 6 weeks. So I put Amsterdam on my own, because that's the last show I did. Because everything start lockdown, and we say, well, for the best thing, I say for do right now, I feel. You know, just cut the thing short and go home, because everybody has closed them border and we have problem all about. You understand? Anyway, reach a Jamaica now. On the flight, you don't know, you have Ragging King manager, you have a couple dancers, you don't know. All the way I come down from Europe. Anyway, when we reach a Jamaica, walk off of the plane, come straight round to the immigration, reach to the immigration officer. I under my paper. When I under my paper, you know, she look on it and she said, oh, Amsterdam. I say, yeah, I've been to Amsterdam. So she said, have you been to any other places? I say, yeah, I've been to Sweden, I've been to Berlin, and I've been to Amsterdam. You understand? Because they can't say the tour are cut up, so, and a lot of it we have to, as I say, we cut short because everywhere closed down. So the next thing she said to me, the address. I'm gonna say, yeah, Kingston 6, and she give me back the paper and she said, right, have a good day. I'm gonna go through. So when I pass and go through, I stop at the money exchange, you know, car. I head to Kingston now, so I have to get some Jamaican to pay the vehicle for car and go back to Kingston. So when we reach the money exchange, you have about 8 girls in there or so. You know, they run like a joke and we attack, everybody have a good time. Nobody hear me say, my people and we are protect our life. We have on gloves and have on them masks. We all of the excitement fan, the whole of them for dead. The lady we send out the voice note says say her friend pass and over here me saying that them are going with them excitement. That's a lie. Yes, you can't go put. You can't do that. You understand? I would never say nothing like that. Remember, say this is not a joke thing. So we just have a death in a Mandeville. Somebody passed away today. So this is not a joke thing. You understand? This is not a joke thing. So you can't send out them voice note there. A definition of character that you try tarnish me thing like I'm so stupid. Where me I go come off of the plane, me I go left Europe and know that the whole world under pressure with this thing here. And me I go come and me I go make them statement. Like, come on, you can't say that, you can't do that. When I get my paper and when she give me back the custom form, when me stop at the money place, the money exchange, when me leave the so, I go pick up my bag. When I pick up my bag, I get another custom officer the paper, I go meet the vehicle and I drive out. When I was going through, nobody stopped me and said, well, you know, say we have a quarantine thing I go on where. Nobody said that to me. You understand? I'm down. So normally me check so when me go home, so like how me come home from last night, see that me there me yard. You understand? Me there me yard, me a quarantine myself, me there me yard cause me I say, this thing serious and I like say, as me come on my yard, me go on the road. No, it's serious, so me come on me there me yard. You see me? I'm there me yard and me a quarantine myself. Anybody want to find Elephant, them know where to find me. Everybody have my number. See like how everybody from Star and Gleaner and the world find my number and call me. Everybody knows. So if the minister help reach out and say, energy God, we are quarantined, house quarantine, where I'm ready, I'm down, and I've been home doing it. So, you know, no disrespect. And me I say right now, me that just come and make the fans them really know and hear my side, because it's not